everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. My name is Jenny and today we have a double unboxing. I did get two things from Louis Vuitton today actually, and I just wanted to share it with you guys just because I love watching unboxings and I hope that you guys do too. I just got this tank today. It's from Aritzia and I'm gonna go back and get it in every single color because it is so beautiful. It was a little pricey though. It was $68 just for one, but I think that it's definitely worth the price and they just feel so nice and silky, and I'm just like feeling myself in this video. I need to stop before I get demonetized. So the first item I'll show you is actually in correlation with my niece BB that I actually recently unboxed, and I will leave the link to that up top if you guys are interested in watching that. So let's move on to, let's go to this item first. So it did come in a small box, but they gave me this after the fact. So let me show you guys. This is my niece BB. So let me just go ahead and take it out of the dust bag. So here it is. This is my new bandeau for my niece BB. It is so cute. When I was a little girl, I remember my mom, my biological mom, always telling me that she loved the color purple. Every time she would recommend something to me or ask me what I liked and stuff, she would always get the color purple, and that just kind of like resonated with me because I just miss her so much. And so oh, I'm getting emotional. Okay, so I just decided to get it in purple, and I remember seeing this color a lot when I was younger, whether it was shirts, whether it was my mom's clothes. I don't remember where, but I just remember seeing the color a lot. So I got it with the accent here. They had so many different bandeaus, and there was none that I really like that really stood out to me as much as this one did. And I really wanted an Hermes Twilly, but I honestly feel so, like as soon as I walk in the door to Hermes, I just feel so poor because like it's so expensive. So I was very happy that I picked this up because I actually haven't used my niece BB because I'm scared that if I have like, every time I do my makeup when I'm done, I usually have foundation on my fingers, and I didn't want to apply foundation to the bottom of the handle or anything, and this is definitely where I'm going to be grabbing it, obviously. So yeah, I just decided to get a bandeau first, and then I will go ahead and put my makeup in here. And a lot of you guys were telling me to get an organizer for it, so I just put my Speedy B organizer from my Zumani because I actually don't use it for my Speedy B. I just feel like it's a little bit too cumbersome and it just takes up too much space in my bag, and I feel like the Speedy B 25 is already structured enough to where it doesn't need an organizer. I think if I had the 30 then maybe I would need it, but I definitely want to get another Speedy B 25 very, very soon. Probably like around my birthday, like in September. So I'm really thinking about getting another Speedy B25, but for now I just don't think that you need an organizer in that bag. But I do think that this is super cute, and because it is red, you can see everything in here. There is no unfinished seam with this organizer, so I really love that. I would probably put like my mirrors in here or like, you know, tools, and then I did fit everything in here. My setting sprays will probably go in here, and foundations just so they can sit up. And there's just, you know, there's a good amount of slots here, and there's just like this big pocket here, just one brush in here. So yeah, I definitely look forward to using this as my makeup bag. The guy that put my bandeau on my niece BB, I don't know, his fingers were way too big, so he like kind of messed it up. So I took it to the store for the purpose of him putting it on for me because I just didn't want to be bothered. But now I think I'm gonna have to do it myself, so that's what I get. But yeah, my zippers are not like, they're not like buttery smooth yet, so I might put like some wax or something on it just to make it a little bit smoother. Yeah, I really like my bandeau. It's just gonna remind me of my mom every time I look at it, so I just think it's such a beautiful color, and purple was definitely one of her favorite colors, I think. So I say I think because I never really asked her what her favorite color was, but I think it was purple. I also don't have my ring on, my Cartier ring. I actually took it off because I was removing my gel polish, so yeah, people do ask me whether I still have it or not. You can see a tan right there, so yes, I do. Okay, so that was the first item, my bandeau. I will leave that here so you guys can just take a look at that. Okay, the next item I want to show you guys is in this box here. Oh, let me tell you guys the price actually of what it cost. I have my receipt here. So the bandeau cost $194, I think. Oh, $197.10, and tax is 17 197.10. Oh, tax went down. I thought it was more. So yeah, it was 197.10. So not a big deal. So this is the next item that I got, and this is my first time seeing this. Yeah, I'll talk about it after. So, oh, I have a knot on it, so why do they do this to me? Okay, I had so many issues with getting this item, you guys have no idea. I had to call my bank, I had to call the store, and like, it was just too much. It's not even expensive either, so I don't know what the deal was. So I just got the knot out. And Luna, do you want to play with the string, Luna? I just wanted to see if my cat would play. Oh, sorry. She really likes the blue string. Well, she likes any string in general, to be honest. How cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and open it. Wow. It's like they squeezed it in this box and it's upside down. And I don't have a receipt, so I'm thinking that, okay, that's weird. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm sure some of you guys probably can guess if you guys know. And I think this is a floor model because there is the sticker right here, and I've never had a sticker on an item before. Oh, this is my receipt. So this is the item that I got. It's a lot smaller than I imagined. Okay, let me just look this over really quick. As you can see, this is the Toiletry 26. I just kind of want to look it over really quick because I haven't had a chance to do that. That was my first time seeing it with you guys. The tab looks fine, everything looks fine, but I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, like how it's kind of sticking out. And it's like that on this side as well. You see how it's like kind of sticking out? Let me know if that's normal for you guys, or if it's not, because I just really want to know. And then it kind of just like curves like that. I thought it was like flat, but it seems to be curved on both sides. Yes, the item is the Toiletry 26. I wanted to look it over just because, you know, it's kind of sus for an item to be like really sought after and for it to be available like from a store. So I got this from the Las Vegas Palazzo store, and I got it from the Palazzo because I called customer service and I had them look for the item for me. I honestly didn't even really think that it would be in stock just because I recently got the Nice BB and I was like, oh, I don't need it or whatever, but I'm just gonna ask just to ask. So I called the customer service line. I asked for any of the locations in LA. I live in Malibu, for those of you guys who are wondering. And so I was like, oh, does any of the locations have it? Do any of the locations have it? And they said no. And I said, okay, where's the closest location that might have it? And they said Vegas. So I had them send it over. There was a lot of problems with me getting this, but it was just my bank's fault, just because there was like issues with my card, and then I had a limit on it, and so I had to call the fraud department to take the limit off of it, and it was just like a big thing. So I do want to thank Kyle at the Palazzo location for being so patient with me, and I'm just so sorry that happened. It was so embarrassing. I thought that, I was like, it's not possible for my card to be declined. So it was just like a big ordeal, and I'm so happy that it's fixed. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It's actually a lot smaller than what I imagined. Like I thought it would be bigger. So let me just open it. I haven't even opened it. Okay. So in here, I have the scanning code, and then I have the barcode, and then I have the textile card. So it came with 3 cards. I only have like, I think one other item that came with 3 textile cards as well, and I actually think that was my Alma BB, which I no longer have. I've never gotten like 3 whole cards before. I'm sorry, my reaction probably isn't what some of you guys imagined, but I really I'm very underwhelmed. I thought that it would be, I don't know, just like a lot. I thought it would be like bigger, like, I don't know, 26, obviously that's like 26 centimeters. Am I wrong? I think that's 26 centimeters on the bottom here. So let me show you guys the Vachette tab. So this one is, don't mind my nails. I don't want to see any comments about my nails, but this is made in France. I don't even know how many items I have made in France, to be honest, and at this point I stopped caring, so it's whatever. But wow, this is very underwhelming. I just, like I said, I keep repeating myself, but I just thought it was a little bit bigger. So let me compare it with the Nice BB. Obviously the Nice is bigger, but yeah, I don't know what I thought. Like, I just thought it would be different. And then I get a lot of questions of people asking me, like mostly on my Louis Vuitton videos, about the color of the monogram print, which I'm not sure why, but not all of my prints match in color. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see on camera. So this looks a little bit different than this one. Granted, this feels a little bit thicker than this. Actually, they all kind of look the same, but I was looking at another YouTuber's video. I think it was Hollyana Ray. She did a monogram collection, and her monogram pieces are different colors. So I don't know. I don't really know anything about that. I think if you just buy it from the store, it's obviously authentic. So yeah, that's what I got, and I'm actually like not even sure if I'm gonna keep this item because it's just I just thought it would be bigger. I don't know what I thought, but my friend Mimi does already have this bag, and I have talked about her quite a few times on my channel. I will have her channel linked down below if you guys are interested, and also her videos where she featured this item. She did a what's in my bag, what's in my gym bag featuring this item, and I'm not going to use it as a gym bag just because I do have my Longchamp Le Pliage Neo, and that's in black, and I really love it for my gym bag. So I'm probably just going to use this for what it says, like toiletries. I think that using this as a clutch is, I don't know, it's a little silly to me. I just don't see, like, I don't know, it just doesn't seem like a clutch to me, just like buy a clutch, you know? Yeah, I do use my cosmetic case as a clutch though, the mini one, not the mini one, but like the smaller version, and I do use that one as a clutch sometimes, and I just think it goes really well just because it's pretty tiny, and I think it suits like the looks that I wear it with, so I don't see a problem with that. But this is just so big, and I just don't understand how this is like a clutch. This is humongous. And I don't know, it's just not my style, but if you want to do it, then that's fine. But yeah, I need to think about this for a while just because I really am not sure if I'm going to keep this. I feel like I've been so lucky to be able to get like some of the pieces that I have received, because I just feel like sometimes it's really hard to come across them, and you know, I've had really good luck with it. And the next item that I do want to get is the Speedy Nano. I just think it's so cute, or Nano Speedy, whatever it's called. I just think it's so cute, and I'm just like so torn because I don't know if I want the Speedy Nano or if I want like the Speedy B25 in monogram. So I'm just like probably gonna be a basic bitch, you know? I don't know, but yeah, everybody has a bag, so I don't know. So yeah, I'm just very happy with the items that I got, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I did go through a loop with this, not the essay's fault, it was actually my fault and my bank's fault. So yeah, but I'm very happy that I have it. I just ordered it on the phone yesterday, so I'm really happy that it came in today. So yeah, if you guys want to see you know, what fits in here, or this compared to the Nice BB, or this compared to any other item that I have, let me know. That is all that I have for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below if you aren't already. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!